Artificial intelligence, AI, the bots, the Terminator's coming. They're coming to terminate your multifamily business and make it huge and make it awesome. What is going on, DeRosa Insiders? This is Matt Faircloth. Welcome to the Cash Flow Digest show. I am super pumped for today's show. Wherever you guys are watching me, whether you guys are watching me on Spotify while you're maybe working out on the treadmill, while you're out and about, you can watch the video and the audio. The entire program is on Spotify. Maybe also watching a bit of this on YouTube, or you could be lucky enough to be a member of the DeRosa Insiders community, which is on Facebook. Go to facebook.com/DeRosa Insiders, or just go to Facebook in the search bar and search for DeRosa Insiders. It is a capital F free community that you guys can join to talk all things real estate. You guys can watch live, leave comments, ask questions on this live program to myself and the DeRosa team as we broadcast this show. What are you guys waiting for? Take the time right now. Go to DeRosa Insiders on Facebook and join the community, and we'll see you there. Today's just like kind of topic of the week that I want to throw out there is AI, right? And you guys are like, AI is old news, right? Well, AI is not just there to write articles for you and to write descriptions and for you to be lazy. We were on a Bigger Pockets call yesterday, and my friend Hohen Tai is writing reviews for real estate using AI, and it's very flowery. It's like the best review. It's the best review I've ever written ever. That was fun, but how, like, aside from writing stuff for us, we use AI too in our business. What else can AI do? How AI can help you with multifamily. What? Multifamily. I said it. So let me give you guys a few tips on the way artificial intelligence, AI, the bots, the Terminator's coming. They're coming to terminate your multifamily business and make it huge and make it awesome. So here's what I want to throw out some tips, right? This article that we found online, Meeting Adam, Your Everything Teammate from Multifamily Operations. It's out on Globe Street. I'll summarize some ways that AI can help your multifamily business. Number one, don't write reviews for your multifamily properties if you don't live there, right? Those are intended for people that do live in the property, okay? So don't be using AI to write reviews for your properties or for businesses or whatever. I forbid you from doing that. But what you can use AI to do is you can use AI to write descriptions for either real estate listings you guys have, for multifamily units you have up for lease. AI can do a little bit of the research and say like, hey, I have an apartment, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, that's this many square foot, that's in this location, in this town. Can you write me a review for it? And AI will say, yep, stand back. Here we go. Wait maybe 3 to 5 seconds. Here it is. So AI can write up things that are optimized for SEO. And if you don't like the way that it did it, ask it to write it again, because it will. Or say, hey, can you make that a little bit shorter? Sure, no problem, says AI. Can you make that a little bit more like optimized for SEO? No problem. Can you do it in the voice of Sam Kinison? No problem. AI will do any of those things for you. Have a little bit of fun with that last one if you like. But what AI can do is it can make things more searchable, because a lot of times don't we kind of guess at what SEO is going to like, or what the human eye is going to like, or something like that. AI has done a lot of that homework for you, and AI can write up good descriptions for your real estate listings or for your apartment listings and make them just that much more searchable. So if somebody's searching apartments.com or searching online for a thing that's looking for keywords in those searches, your listing may show up a little bit better because AI wrote that description for you. That's number one. Number two, AI already exists in certain formats to help tenants through the leasing process. AI also is working its way into the space for helping follow up with tenants for collecting rents. At this point, you're not sure if you're chatting through text messages with a chatbot or AI for that matter, that's helping you communicate questions that really only have 3 to 4 answers to them, like, have you paid your rent today, on a scale from yes to no, right? Well, the AI can handle those conversations with a tenant. Or would you like to lease that apartment? Yes, no, maybe. If it's maybe, what are your questions? AI can probably answer those questions, or say things like, hey, how about I get right back to you, or have somebody give you a call, right? Those are things that are on the way. And a lot of organizations such as Rent Manager, Appfolio, and others, and Yardi are developing outlets for AI to be your interface to your tenants, where those things already exist now. The last thing is AI to sit on the operations side, on your back end, for any small multifamily property that you may have, to kind of help you optimize your systems, look at what you're doing, and to make sure that it makes physical sense, and make sure that it makes logical sense, and that it's scalable, right? So AI is starting to become an optimization tool for an existing business. So be aware of that. And I mean, you guys can do one of two things, which is the latter is kind of what we're doing with DeRosa in that, but you have two choices with regards to artificial intelligence, because here's the newsflash, guys. It's not going away, right? AI is not a fad. It is a new way to do business. And if you accept that, then you have two choices. Number one, you can go in and become part of the pioneers that are kind of getting in there and poking it with a stick and see what it'll do and kind of figuring it out, right? And there are, of course, new plugins, new apps, those kinds of things you can either buy or try on yourself, and through trial and error, figure out how to make AI work for your business. Now, that's one thing you can do, but the problem is AI is not all the way there. It's like halfway there, right? It's like maybe mile 13 of the marathon. It's almost to the, but halfway to the finish line in development and in optimizations and everything like that. So you can be a part of that group that gives feedback and maybe helps, course correct it, develop it, and maybe even becomes one of the folks that can actually make money with it if you're part of the pioneering team in integrating AI into real estate. The other option you have, which is kind of what we're doing a little bit more at DeRosa, is to use it where it makes complete logical sense, where it's already been vetted, like, writing descriptions for YouTube videos or writing descriptions for properties or something like that to make them searchable. But the real thing there is to wait until it's a little bit further along down the road. Not that we're not just sitting here with our arms crossed. We're certainly monitoring it, which is how we found this Globe Street article to share with you guys. But there's going to be a lot of trial and error, and we don't want to be on the error side of trial and error in that. So I think that you guys can choose to be on the pioneering side, or just kind of wait until it's fully vetted, wait till it's fully optimized, and wait till a few other people have made the errors and the trials so that you can enjoy the fruits of their labor. Maybe have to pay them for it, but that's okay. So that's the decision you guys can make. Again, be on the pioneer, the creation side of AI, or be on the side of it that gets to enjoy the fruits that as it starts to get developed and optimized and fine-tuned. Okay. That's what I got on AI for multifamily. It's going to continue to grow. It's going to continue to become a thing. As I said already, it ain't going nowhere. So you might as well monitor it and implement it where you can. We appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend, everybody. Hey guys, Matt Faircloth here. Thank you for listening again to the Cash Flow Digest. I really appreciate you guys doing that. If you guys want to hear more about what DeRosa Group has to offer, go to DeRosa Group, DeRosa Group.com, DeRosaGroup.com online. You can hear about all the great things that we offer from an educational standpoint and passive investment standpoint on our website. See you there. And if you guys want to join our online community, DeRosa Insiders on Facebook, where you can watch this program get recorded every Friday at noon Eastern, and you can come on as even a guest or ask questions on the show. We hope to see you guys on our online community, DeRosa Insiders. See you there.